Gary from Katy has a water mystery.
He does. So he's come to you, the
The
expert, yes.
Okay.
He's remodeling his master bath with a heated tile floor, and that's where he is right now. He's gotten all the tile up. And
should have called cutting edge tile removal.
I'm thinking.
That's
I'm
a
thinking
perfect example of why you
a whole
called
lot easier.
Yep.
Anyway, but now, upon removing the floor tiles, the surface, he says, was wet. And once it dried up, he says, I placed a tarp down with a bath mat on top to work, through the kitchen, but moisture, or the bathroom there, but moisture collected and molded the canvas after a few days. He says, the only water on is the toilet, and I don't see water dripping from the tank or any visible leak. But could that seal be enough that water would spread across past cabinets and everything to make the whole floor moist, Tom? Gary wants to know if the sealer on when he gets a concrete bare to seal it, if that's going to solve the problem, or could that cause the problem to be worse?
You wouldn't seal it. That's not going to be an issue. If there's a problem, a sealer's not going to stop it.
Okay.
The toilet, you're going to pull up anyway if you're going to redo the floor, because the toilet has to go back down on the floor. And if the seal on the toilet is broken, you're going to put a new one in anyway. So if that's the problem, it'll fix itself just through the process of remodeling your bathroom.
Could there be that kind of slow, steady kind of migration of moisture out through a seal like that?
Yeah. But it would be a long period of time, and you probably would have noticed it earlier. But the fact of the matter is it could. But when you reset your toilet, that's going to be, the box will be checked. It'll be fixed because it's going to be resealed and a new wax ring in there. So I'm not sure where the water's coming from, but you got to find out. And if it was the toilet, that's going to be an easy fix. If it's something else going on under the ground, I don't know if this is on the ground level. It could be an underground plumbing break where all the water's coming up through, that kind of thing. So, or a yard drainage issue where the water's seeping up underneath the slab. That could be the issue.
You want to fix that before you put tile down, is
Absolutely.
what you're saying.
You want to find out what it is and dry it out. But as far as that goes, could it be a toilet? Sure. But is it? I don't know. I hope it is. You know why? Because he's going to fix it anyway because he has to reset the toilet.
Well, and I hope it's a toilet because it'd be a heck of a lot cheaper than what you'd be facing if you got to go into that slab to fix a leak.
Oh, yeah. Big time. So get a plumber out, find out where the leak is, if it's a plumbing leak, or a yard drainage guy if it's a yard drainage issue.
Just to figure out, wouldn't they do like a hydrostatic test to figure out if there's a slab leak?
That's right.
That's a good time.
Good call.
Thanks. It's
yeah, no problem.
28 years sitting next to you. I figure it out now and then. I get lucky every now. Even a blind pig can find an acorn now and then, kids. All right. And you can find an answer anytime your heart desires by sending it to us. Use the Ask Tom form. Send it to us. We'll read it, answer it, and put it in a video like these over here. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell. We'll ring yours when we post a new one.